Welcome to this tutorial on creating a credit note in Xero, a comprehensive guide to help you understand the process step by step. A credit note is a document that reduces the amount a customer owes, and it is essential to know how to create one in Xero to manage your accounts effectively. To start, log into your Xero account and navigate to the Invoices section. Click on the invoice for which you want to create a credit note. You can do this by searching for the invoice number or the customer name. Once you have found the invoice, click on the Options button and select Create Credit Note. In the Create Credit Note window, you will see the credit note details. The date and reference will be automatically populated, but you can change them if needed. You also need to specify the amount of the credit note. This amount will be deducted from the original invoice, reducing the amount the customer owes. You can choose to apply the credit note to a specific invoice or to the customer's account in general. If you choose to apply it to a specific invoice, the credit note will reduce the amount owed on that invoice. If you choose to apply it to the customer's account, the credit note will reduce the overall amount the customer owes. Once you have entered the credit note details, you can add a narration to explain the reason for the credit note. This is useful for internal records and for communicating with the customer. You can also attach a file to the credit note, such as a receipt or a copy of the original invoice. After you have entered all the necessary details, click on the Create Credit Note button to save the credit note. The credit note will then be applied to the invoice or the customer's account, reducing the amount owed. You can view the credit note by clicking on the Credit Notes tab in the Invoices section. Best practices for creating credit notes in Xero include ensuring that you have the correct invoice and customer details, specifying the correct amount, and adding a clear narration to explain the reason for the credit note. It is also essential to review the credit note details carefully before saving to avoid errors. In conclusion, creating a credit note in Xero is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can create credit notes effectively and manage your accounts with accuracy.